Hi, it's Lee Reams with CountingWorks Pro, and I'm just going over the AI SmartBot and PracticeBot tool. We have some new features that we're enabling the AI assistant to be loaded onto your website so it can answer questions directly from your current clients or your leads. So to turn this on, if you have not enabled the PracticeBot, I think the easiest way is just send an email to help@countingworkspro.com and just request AI SmartBot and your domain name, and we'll go ahead and add you to the queue and add this. But if you do a DIY, you go to the PracticeBot, you hit settings, you need to name your bot. I would suggest enabling the email and add your notification phone number so you know when things come through. You choose which website you're using. Enable AI SmartBot. This now will have two questions. One is you can limit the amount of questions a visitor can ask. So for example, I put 10 here. The reason you would want to do this is perhaps you don't want to use tokens, you don't want to get too detailed, and you don't want people abusing your chat tool, but this is totally up to you. These are the pages that we currently have in the MVP release that we allow the AI assistant to basically study and use as context. So anything that's in these pages could be included in answers to any of their questions. As you go down, then you would add any, what I'm going to call dummy prompts. So find direction, office hours, pricing. I just put a test here. You can add your hours as well. But when you hit save here, this will now be added to your website. So if I go over here to a current website and I click on the chatbot, this is the AI SmartBot, you'll see a sample. And then if you hit ask a question, this will lead people into the tool. All right, so let's demo how this works. So a visitor, let's say it's a current client or it's a new prospect. So, do you offer CFO services? Question mark. We do have a disclaimer since this is using AI technology. Like all vendors, we say it's experimental. Talk to a professional before using it. We make them hit that. If they hit start, this will now answer or put in their question to queue. I had already been using this, so I had a 10 counter. Now it's down to 4. I've already asked a bunch of questions. But yes, our firm offers virtual CFO services. They're ideal for businesses, and it kind of breaks things down. Let's say you wanted to ask a technical question, is a home office right for me? I am a gig worker. I'll go ahead and put this into queue. The AI assistant obviously will go through our knowledge base. We're trained up to date, very accurate answers. As a gig worker, it'll start off and tell them cost savings, tax benefits, convenience, productivity, service requirements, work-life balance. So it starts defining some things. So you can get as technical as you like. I think most of your clients will ask pretty simple questions. The leads, so clients that come through or prospects that come through as leads will be loaded into your lead section of the dashboard. And if they're a current client, their email matches up, it will be loaded into your client hub. So I hope you enjoy this new tool. This is just the MVP launch, so there's a lot of ways to go with this. So we'll be updating it as we go and making it much more powerful. But think of it as kind of like a 24/7 extension of yourself. No staff, it's staff working. It's kind of like free labor, basically. And it can answer a lot of the commonly asked questions. It can obviously funnel leads to you for new business. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy it.